Lamomo Dusk to Dawn pendant light. Turn it on, sets up, easy to operate, 30-foot range with instructions, showing you what you get inside the box. We have unpacked as a Lamomo pendant light. Some assemblies required to the unit, bulb not included. Hang it up on the wall. We're going to place it over here and show you what it looks like outside, how to hang. Simple assembly is required. We have two pieces. Basically, one goes on the bottom, locks into place. The other one, simply take off and lock washer. Slide on, place the star washer on, and the nut on and tighten down. With a maximum rating 60-watt bulb, E26, screw on. Placing the cover on before, you have these clips, glass, easy to clean and replace. Place the cover on with the washer and bolt. Slide on and lock into place. Repeat for the opposite side. You're given a spare to put aside in case you need. The product is now IP rated and protected. We're going to hang up on the wall over here to demonstrate. With the bracket, place on your screws and lock down. You adjust the bracket with the bolt, wire up, and place on. As we align up and lock down, we place back on the washer and the bolt. We'll turn the switch on and the light lights up. The controls are on the bottom for your adjustment. On the bottom are your controls and a switch and a sensor. 5 seconds to 3 minutes. Positive to negative on the sensitivity of the PIR sensor. Test mode, automatic mode, PC mode. Hanging up is as easy as finding where you want your light to be at and place in your bolt and lock down. With the bolts, they need to be adjusted accordingly to be flush on the wall. And then hang up your bracket and place in your bolts and lock down. The ground area, loosen up the bolt and hang your ground. And then attach your loads and neutral. And then cover your leads and place on. And now demonstration for low light. We'll show you how the light lights up. You have the sensor. We are adjusting to the PC level. We have it up to 3 minutes, down to 5 seconds, and the sensitivity of minimum to maximum. In the evening hours, this is what it looks like. The pendant light, motion, triggers on. Dusk to dawn, we'll set it up, and we have the light will stay on from dusk to dawn. You have the adjustments for the sensor, minimum and maximum. And you could put this by a boatyard, by your garage, the front of your door, the back, anywhere that you need to have a light and sense. This is not for a high traffic area, but for your front door that will allow it to trigger for your walking to the house and nearby. I hope this is the light that you are after. Thank you for viewing.